Because today we'll have it, today we'll have it, today we'll have it fun at Ethan's place. Happy Easter, everyone, from all of us here at Ethan Trains. Anyways, take it, Jack.
You are now watching Ethan Trains TV on YouTube.
Stop. Hey guys, Ethan here. So today, welcome to this episode of the Anvil SMP. In today's episode, we'll be doing an Easter egg hunt. So I know we'll actually do this episode, but first I want to actually look at Jack's shop real quick, so we can get so I can know if we have any payment for us. So let's get into the game. So here we go. Okay, we're in the game now. Yeah, Jack is online. I'm just currently not in a thing with him. I'm just checking stock real quick. We have stocked up now. Okay. I'm just making sure that we have that we don't have any payment before we start. I do have to put these 8 diamonds on gambling in my thing. I'm just making sure that we have extra stock. I also have to look at the other. Oh. Okay, I think we want to go to that though. Just before, I'm gonna check these areas before I go meet up with Jack, and yeah. Yeah. So that's there. That's also there. Okay. So let's go. Anyways, let's go do. Let's go. I still have to do. Oh, I do have my spring. Okay. Okay. So we are doing an Easter egg hunt. So once we get over to the base, we're gonna go. Okay. Oh, Jack! Where are you? Jack, where are you? Come out wherever you are. I know you're using your thing. Oh my gosh, you just scared me. Dude. Guy. Dude. What's... yeah. Hey! Where the hell are you?
Oh! I fell in a hole.
You fell in a hole.
Go away from me.
At least we got Bella 2.0 now.
Yeah, I'm being killed. Help me.
What? Oh my gosh, bro. April Fools!
It's not even April.
It's April. It's April. What are you talking about? It's April.
I meant it's not April.
I know,
1st.
right?
Anyway.
It's almost time to...
Oh, we got DJ Nico.
Hello, DJ Nico. I hope he consents to be on camera.
Still.
I don't know.
I mean, they don't have a mic. You can type.
I don't really care. Come on, man!
How did you die? I didn't even hit.
I think you hit me.
But anyway.
You killed me.
Ethan.
What? You killed me!
where are you?
What's with the rabbit?
Easter Bunny came as has seen.
I think he's dead or something.
Me?
I think the Easter Bunny has came.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
there's eggs. Let's try and find all 76. I'm joking. I mean, if we wanna, we can just collect all the eggs.
I said that in the intro, so yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
So here we go. What's the? Okay, I think it's actually a pickaxe. Okay, ready?
Yeah. So, like, you actually
okay.
get
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I have to make inventory space.
I would say at least yeah.
Oh, I actually killed the Easter Bunny. 1 second. I actually broke the
Wait,
Easter
what?
Bunny by accident.
This is a kids friendly channel. How could you? Some eggs.
Yeah, I can tell.
So like
This is coming out on Easter as well. So this is fun. It's not
it's
Easter right now,
for me.
for me, but yeah. It's Easter tomorrow.
Oh, I found a pink egg.
Happy Easter from Ethan Trains. Take it, Jack. I don't know. You're gonna watch Ethan Trains TV on YouTube. Yeah, that'll be played. Oh.
You're now watching Ethan Trains TV.
Imagine. I don't really use Snapchat that much. I have an account. I just don't use it. Just like Facebook. I don't use Facebook either. I think Facebook. I like how it fades out at the end. That's funny. What? I'm sorry. I can't hear you. I have to scream. What?
It really makes you explore the base.
No!
Join the group. I'll make a B3T recording.
It's not available. It is now.
Yes, it is.
Ah!
Anyway, it really makes you explore the entire base.
I was gonna ask
top
that.
of the mountain. They could be at the fishing dock.
Oh, cracky. Wait, oh, no. Who was editing? Please cut that out or something like that. Thank you. I'm editing. Because Fox is away.
Are you editing? Okay,
well,
also try not to break the
I can
base.
mine three things at once. So it's kind of hard to.
I said try not to. And some eggs are hidden in plain sight, but they're really
I'm actually
hard
breaking the base by accident.
I
hope you don't mind. I hope you don't mind.
Do we?
This is kind of
Fix
unfixable.
it. Do we have an extra bow? Yes. Up here. Oh, I found
I'm just gonna use my hand because I don't feel like. Hey, does the TNT heads count?
Oh wait, DJ Nico has voice chat. Oh, yeah. Just
are
so
you able?
know, we're recording a video.
Are you?
Like,
Yeah.
if
are you able to like
him,
ask him?
If
I don't know, to be honest.
No,
but
I don't know
are you
if
able to
he
ask
can
him in
hear
chat,
you.
real quick? If
If
like
if you
if he's able to. Okay.
okay, you can if
Oh,
you wanna join the Ed Hunt, we're just around the base for Eds. Cause it's kind of like a family.
if he cuss, I'll be mad because I have to edit this whole thing.
Yeah. I'll let you start it up.
Hey, I'm joking.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, we're
illegal.
trading.
I'm
We're
joking.
You just
What?
TNT.
Oh,
You
my
walked past the
favorite
green
color. What?
Ned. Yeah, you walked past one of the good-looking Neds.
Yeah.
If I'm
It's just
right,
placed.
Nico. If you
Also, yeah.
DJ Nico,
I wish
they're
you had someone.
placed. You're allowed to break them.
I wish that you. I wish we
If you
had
wanna
someone else to
join.
hide them, because you kind of know all the spots. I think, unless you hide them like a couple weeks ago, unless you forgot.
Think I got another player to do it. I forgot.
My electric broke.
Ever? Did I?
I am not.
Guess you gotta go to N to repair it. That gives us
Well,
more time.
guys, my electric just broke. That's nice. Yeah. Oh, I fell down a cliff.
Your elytra broke. You've already gone down to the fishing dock. I can tell because the cobblestone broken.
Oh, I found an Easter egg. Ooh.
If I'm right, in the
Oh,
hunt,
my
there's a golden egg.
grandparents did do that. Oh, no, I want that. I want that. Cause in my family, you get like, I don't know, $5 or something like that.
I'm being honest, I only remember like placing them up and down, but then I had like mice and I forgot what happened on the previous day. So yeah,
Oh, I didn't mean that.
I lied about it.
I'm sorry, man.
Haha.
How are you on that for like a long? Oh, I actually broke all 3 heads. 1 second. How? I don't. There's a TNT head and a jack head.
I'm just.
Oh, I didn't. I forgot to.
I'm going to the
look in the
bee farm.
towns. I'll go do that in a minute, yeah. I swear.
I'm going to the bee farm.
I'm heading up.
Oh, there's already. Oh, there's a green one. I'll get that later. I'm going to the bees. I'm in that there's an ad. I'm shutting. There's an open.
Oh man! Oh, no! You took it from me! No! Ooh, egg, you.
Green one.
Crap.
No swearing, Nathan.
Oh, sorry, guys.
I think.
I'm sorry. I actually pressed my button. A pretty egg.
Why did you tell?
Who's on my first? I got it.
Oh. Yeah,
As
no, I'm
far, very far.
How far can your pickaxe reach?
Oh no. Haha, no, oh, I forgot, no,
Yeah,
you
no,
have
I'm
more.
going to the next
No,
tower.
I'm, okay, I'm with my elytra though, I'm joking, I don't, my elytra's broken still. I swear, if you took all those, so help me. Ooh, a pretty one. Thank you, Jet. No! Yeah, there was.
Wait, there's
Next tower.
No,
Let's go.
Nico,
Let's go.
me to the tower.
Yeah, I have actually
There's
looked
on
there. Ooh,
top
there's
of
egg
the
right here.
cake base.
How the hell are you supposed to do that? But how? Well, don't look where I'm looking. This is
I
my
know what
place.
you're looking at.
I'm Chuck E. Cheese. I'm joking. I'm Chuck E. Cheese. I'm joking.
I'm gonna come to you.
Fell!
You're tempting me.
I fell off a ladder. Ooh, I forgot to look in the nether though. You know, I'll check in here last. No, what? I don't think you did.
Wait, what? No way.
Wait, I have it.
Did you
I
get a
have it.
golden egg by chance?
I have it apparently.
All of the nether area ones.
I'll have to look back at my. I'll have to
Wait,
look
what?
back at my recording.
Where?
Hey, dude.
I'm looking at Ever's base.
No.
Yeah, just kill TNT and
One!
gives one of us the egg.
One! Hey, Dylan. Ow! Nice name.
Slap.
He doesn't actually know where I'm at, where I am. Oh, he doesn't actually know where I am. I don't think. Abandoned.
Okay.
Don't. It's not hide and seek now. It's officially hide and seek. Yep.
Are we just hiding from each other, trying to find stuff? Yeah.
Oh.
Let's go over to the pink.
Thank you for the boost. Thanks for the boost, dude.
I was expecting to join this recording. I gave him a DM.
Yeah. No problem. Thank you.
Did he punch you further?
He's white on my tail.
No way.
He's white on my tail, guys. Yo, I think he did actually a pretty good job, to be honest. You missed.
I'm looking at Ever's base.
Thank you. Yo, Dylan. Guess what? I don't know. I don't honestly know if I can call you Dylan on camera, but okay. Who cares?
Oh, I found one. What's up?
I don't. Who cares, right?
Probably not. Who cares? Hey, Nico. You maybe have killed someone.
Yeah, it's fine.
See?
Is that normal to kill someone? Is that normal?
Oh, well.
Oh, RIP. I'm dead now. Great, that's fine.
I'm gonna pay my Yeah, it's normal.
At least we have a new Bella.
I'm gonna pay my respects to Bella. Oh.
Can I come with you and cry?
There's an egg. But I'm still paying my respects. Yeah.
No, look what I got.
I'll kill you.
Oh,
You'll
no.
be with Bella then.
No, Dylan! No! Should I grab my dog?
It's a
Sure.
I'm just asking you.
Then never mind then.
I have 4. Oh wait, there's still a
Guys,
an egg
this
on
is
that
the
tower.
massive Easter egg hunt.
I must have missed it.
I'm already on 20 minutes. I'm already on 20 minutes of my episode. Yeah, this is actually kind of a fun episode because he has a plan, like he always does.
I hope they're enjoying the episode.
Hey, how's your how's the 5 dogs?
Ah!
Yeah. Ooh, there's an egg.
A TNT keeps trying to kill it. Kill them.
God, I'm gonna actually try to get. I'm gonna actually try to get my.
Okay. How many? Okay.
Okay, I have. Oh. I have an egg. I have an egg now.
I'm gonna get a. I think pretty much.
I have an egg.
Storage system, and you have to sort through it.
We should count all of our things. I don't know.
Okay, just so I know, we got all of them. What? Yeah, if I'm right, there's 70. If we put it in this chest under each other, we can count it. So, Ethan, you can take.
Well,
unless your eggs will become mine. You need to place them specifically in your boat.
Okay, is that it? Oh, okay. Is that it now?
There's still one more boat.
Wait, no, this is my will. Oh, sorry. I didn't know if you were doing that.
Or is it Nico?
Sorry, I'm not sorting things. Sorry. Sorry, I'm just dumping. I'm just dumping all my stuff into this chest.
Yeah, it's like you.
No.
What
hey! No! I still win then. I still win. I proved that. I have to look at my things to see where I was hidden at.
Congratulations!
Jack, can you save me? He kind of has a mace. I'm joking.
So wait, so we got 4
You're supposed to be my roommate. You're supposed to like protect me or something. We're roommates.
Well, how many? So 3 plus 3 plus 4 is. So all the pink eggs have been found.
Ooh.
All the blue eggs.
Okay.
5, 6, 7.
Let's go find it.
5, 6, 7.
I haven't checked actually over here, so
you can go while I'm talking. By the way,
Ooh.
8.
I found one!
There's
Ooh, I found an egg! I found an egg! I found one!
There's way more.
I haven't looked inside. Okay. So there's none over here, I don't think.
3 more orange eggs.
Hey! Is there any outside of the barrier?
And there's 1 more small green egg. What?
Yeah.
No.
This place is actually kind of nice.
I could have hidden them in caves.
Sorry that there wasn't any episodes for like 2 weeks.
Did I hide it?
Dylan was kind of like, I don't know, not active that much. Yeah. Right after this video.
Also, by the way, Ethan is getting forced leave. He has to take a break for a week.
Hey, buddy. I'm sure you will.
He had 2 injuries
Well,
in
that's
one
why
week.
we make people fill out 8 injury form.
I could get sued for that.
Nico, no! Bad. Wait, I haven't checked this hiding place yet. Oh, I don't actually think there's any over here.
Good job, Nico.
Alright, I'm gonna use this. Hold on. No,
Yes,
there's none.
It's good. It's very, very good.
There's none. Okay. I was just checking something. I am as well. I am as well.
Are you going in free cam?
Yeah, we were. What? How? Why? I was just checking. I was just checking for a egg in like a hiding spot that I.
Okay.
I
just got in.
If I hit eggs, I would have done that. I did it. I can't even check that because my Elytra's dead.
Okay, orange edge in.
Is there any other that's closer? I'm gonna check it here, I guess. I don't really know if there's... I wish.
I'm having a look.
What do you mean?
One in the cave.
Like with in my base? In my base?
There's one with TNT.
I'm checking.
I still don't know.
Does the heads count as a thing?
Actually, it could be. Same.
Oh, I forgot that counts as a base. I'm gonna actually just
go down here. Still.
Hey, is it in this part of the base? Oh. Oh, the fishing
It's hard to miss.
Aw.
Sorry, not the mines. The fishing dock.
Whee!
There's none in that part. Nico. Do you have eggs near you? Let me have.
Can you set the recording to? I'm joking. Imagine.
I hit them good. Maybe I should have recorded so I actually remember.
I'll put it in my episode if you did. Them. If I'm here next year.
I wish. Yeah. Maybe next year.
You're my boss.
If we're still friends. Get him, Nico. Get him. Get him. You're good. Really there. Yes. Good job.
Yay. I wonder if there's any. No, there isn't on top. I am checking through free cam.
And we're gonna find them throughout the next few episodes.
Oh, come on, dude!
Yeah.
I do. Well, no, I don't.
Yeah. Let me have a look. Who has the
Oh, come on! You put me to spawn! He broke my bed!
Huh. Okay.
Slash home. TNT's base.
Good job, Nico.
Can I have my bed back? I would.
Give me a second. Would someone like to kill me?
What a loser!
Give me a sec. Someone kill me.
Bro's like, I don't know. I think I went to the wrong thing though. Yeah, I did. Okay, I'm back. Join the group. No! No. No.
Austin.
Jack, save me! He's going insane!
If you wanna pass me the golden edge, you just stop by killing me, or you can give me the one that you
Can you
stole.
not kill me? Jack, save
then you
me!
can keep the edge that you found.
Jack!
Because there's way too
Jack!
many edges.
No!
Yeah.
No, a little?
Okay.
A little?
Sounds
What
good.
do you mean by a little?
Nah, you're fine. You're just.
So, I guess we'll be still finding it. I guess we'll be still finding it
So
throughout
if you
these
like,
next
you
few
can
episodes.
keep the edge that you found today.
Yeah, thanks for being a big
So
guest.
thank you for. Yeah.
Yeah, at least that's
thanks
what we
for-
call even trains.
Yeah, thanks for coming with us,
Oh,
Nico.
people! Ah! At least
Thanks
if
for
you don't
joining us.
kill us.
Yeah, the guest of honor.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Dude. Wait, is the Ethan head is the TNT wall of head still here?
No, I think killing you is good. That's a very good
I think
thing.
that actually got taken down. Oh, Azel's online.
Yeah.
That's nice. I know who Azel is. Yeah, that's because you're kind of new. Well, I guess you joined in August, so kind of not new, but yeah.
I don't know Azel.
I joined like at the end of July.
Didn't I join around the same time as you, Ethan?
What?
Same time. It's the same. So we ended up with seven orange heads, 5 red heads, 8 head heads, 6 blue heads, 6 pink heads, 3 special heads, golden head, green 6.
Oh, I thought that would be.
Green head,
Hey,
7
does the Easter Bunny count as an egg?
head.
Aw.
Yeah. And we did pretty well.
I don't know how to tailform, dude.
No.
I don't actually know how to tailform. Cause it's fun.
Next episode, I'm gonna be forcing Ethan to help me terraform the.
That's a month after me.
So stay tuned for that.
Peace and quiet.
Why are you dying?
Can you speed this up? I'm joking. Please don't.
You joined in September. That's a month after
Yeah,
me.
I joined in like late July, early August. I did. I thought it was an Easter. I thought it was an Easter egg. The famous last words before the killer bunny
Who
comes.
mined the Easter bunny?
Do you want to do my outro whenever you feel like doing my outro?
Anyway, I think that's a pretty good haul.
In real life.
Sure.
Yeah,
Like,
let's do it. Will. It's
subscribe
definitely,
to
it's definitely not a
TNT
climb, right?
in Minecraft.
It's definitely not a climb. Definitely not a climb, guys. Anyways, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do,
No,
please like, subscribe. So guys, like, subscribe, we'll see you next time. Goodbye, have a nice day!